How to fix Twitter app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix Twitter mobile app not working. First, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. So to ensure that, you need to open the Play Store or App Store according to your device. Simply search for X or Twitter application. And once you find it, and if you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. Now once you're done with that, you need to go ahead and open your device setting, or you can directly tap and hold onto the Twitter application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Scroll all the way down and go to Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. But if you're using iPhone, go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, find the Twitter mobile app, and then upload the application and reinstall it again. This should definitely help you solve the problem. And if not, you will need to completely reinstall the app. So after it has been uninstalled, go to the Play Store or App Store, search for X or the Twitter application again, and then install it from here. And also make sure that your internet connection is stable, reliable, and strong. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works. After this, you need to go ahead and simply restart your entire device and see if it resolves the issue. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.